Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tomilola. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about color combinations that will make you look expensive. Looking expensive doesn't have to mean that you need to break the bank, you need to have a lot of money. No. In this video, we're going to be doing choices of color that will make you look super expensive, make you look super exquisite. So before we go into the video, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would love it so much. On this channel, I talk about fashion, I talk about beauty and lifestyle. If this is your thing, hit the subscribe button. My returning subscriber, thank you. I love you so much. The first color I'll be talking about is this timeless duo, black and white. Black and white is everything. Black brings sophistication and white just had freshness to it. So wearing black and white, imagine wearing freshness on sophistication and without breaking the bank. It could be a jean, it could be a top, it could be a black blazer, it could be a white dress with a black blazer, it could be a white jean. Play around with white and black. It makes you look expensive and you don't need to spend so much money. White and black never goes out of style. So beauties, try white and black or black on white. Look at the way I played around with this white and black. Everyone will be staring at me when I step out. Like it's giving an effortless, expensive look. I'm looking put together. White and black makes you look put together. Try this color combination more often and thank me later. So let's move on to the next color combination. So the next color I'll be talking about is this elegant piece, blue and black. Blue and black gives a bold look. You want to be looking bold anywhere you go to. You want to be looking confident. If you want to be confident effortlessly, just wear blue and black. You could play around with blue and black. You could wear a blue blazer on a black dress. You could wear a blue shirt and a black jean, just like I'm wearing right now. And create an elegant look. Create a confident look.
So for some reason, my mic went off and I didn't realize it until the end of the video. So let's get to the next color combination. The next color is beige and white. Beige is warmth, white is purity. This combination gives elegance, making you look like that wealthy woman, like that wealthy lady. You want to go out and be respected without effort. Combine this color combination more often and see how confident you would feel all day long. You would feel so beautiful. So let's get to the next color combination. The next color combination is red on denim or denim on red. Anyhow you want to play around with it. This color is beautiful. Red is vibrant and the blue denim just cools it down, making you look vibrant and cool at the same time. Walk into a room looking like this and all you get is yes girl, yes girl, yes girl. You want to be looking vibrant and you want something to cool it down, so that's the job of the blue denim. Feel free to combine it anyhow you want it. You could do a red dress on a denim jacket. You can never go wrong combining these colors. Let's get to the next color combination.
The next color combination I'll be talking about is brown and white. I don't need to say much. Brown, this color is already giving elegance, making you look expensive. Heads will turn. This color combination exudes timeless elegance. You don't need to say much anywhere you walk into looking like this. Wearing white and brown, everyone will respect you. Your outfit, your color combination would earn respect. Try this color combination and look like a money bag without making so much effort. Just picking the right color choices from your wardrobe. And remember, you are beautiful. You just need to start making good color choices. And these color choices are in your closet. So try these color combinations I've just given you in this video and give me your feedbacks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. So please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one. I love you. Bye.